Last video. What are we doing? All right. Often when drafting, you get done with the drawing, and sometimes it's a little unclear because you've got some extra little tails that need to be erased. Some of the lines aren't as dark as they should be. And this is a typical thing that draftspeople do, because you as a draftsperson have good eyes for seeing detail amid your sketchiness. But your clients might not be so lucky, and you want them to have a clean drawing. So right now I'm cleaning up that extra little tab. There was an extra line there. There's a little extra line over here off the end of the nose of the plane. So we're gonna, as if we were showing this professionally, we want to clean it up as much as possible. I did a little sketch of a point over here, the little crosshairs, and then I'm gonna get out my big 0.9 millimeter pencil, and we're going to go over all these lines and make them extra dark so they're extra clear. So again, since we drew this, we know what we drew, and it's kind of easy for us to see. But let's just imagine that you have not the greatest eyesight like me, or maybe some of the lines that you did, you put down really lightly so they could be easily erased, which is a smart thing to do, to draw your first sketches very lightly and then go over those sketches to make darker lines. It just looks cleaner. It looks better. And when you're done, you'll see a difference. Maybe not in this video, I got to admit, because we're doing this not in the classroom, but you'll see a difference. You'll see the images will look much clearer. I'm almost done here. That's the last thing you want to do. And then don't forget, there it is. Last thing you want to do is letter your name, the date, and your class period down here on the bottom, and you're going to take a picture and turn it in. Now, if you haven't done the previous triangle project, be sure to do that. I don't know if there's anything else I have to tell you about triangles. We use them to measure, right, a little bit, with centimeters and inches on it. And we use them to measure angles, because we already did that project last time. And if you haven't done that yet, be sure to get this one done and turn it in. But that is a lot of good information on how to use a triangle. I know that some of you took geometry. I think we might, moving forward, we might skip the protractor, but if you are not familiar with protractors, let me know, because I will put up a video for you and we can review this. But for now, that's your assignment. That's all you need to turn in. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Thanks for coming, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, evening, weekend, wherever you are when you're doing this, and I'll talk to you soon.